Hello friends and welcome back to Zad and Aman's workshop, and this is the stage 2 on how to solve the Rubik's Cube. In this stage you have to go from here to here, solving the white cross with two pieces of same color on each sides. So how do we do this? Let's begin. This is for you to work out. Hold the white centerpiece on the front and hold the white centerpiece facing you and fill these edge pieces with white. I repeat, only fill the edge pieces with white and don't fill the corner pieces. So let's begin. The white centerpiece is facing towards me, and now let's begin. So here I am completed with this, but wait, the white cross is still not finished. In order to complete the white cross, we have to make two same colors on each sides. So first, always start with the blue centerpiece, and we have to find for the edge piece which is blue. Okay, we got. So here I have two blues and a green and a red, green and two orange. So these both are in the correct positions. So now red has to go over here because of this centerpiece and green has to come over here. In this situation, we just need to swap both of these. So we'll see how to do this. So here I am done with my orange, blue, red and green. So if you have completed the white cross, so well done, and go to the next video.